Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to compare your hours played versus your friends on your PlayStation 5. So you can see this right here. It's a list between me and the other person. So we can go to sort by on the left, and we can go to just mutual games, and we can see the games that we have in common. My most played is on the top right. It looks like our just Modern Warfare, and then we can go on down between us, and we can see. But if we go to the left and go to just most played for them, this will show me what they played the most. And it looks like Call of Duty is my most and their most. And then we got Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So to do this, it's very easy. Just press the PlayStation button, go to Game Base, go to your friends list, and locate friend. So let's choose this person. Go to the right, go to more, go to View Profile. Now under here, go over to the right to Game. Go down, and this will automatically start comparing it. So you can see their last played game 28 days ago. Looks like they're appearing offline. And let's go to most played. They have been playing NBA 2K22. Now, the PS4 and the PS5 versions will be separate. And then we can go down. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.